my garden. Zoom in a little bit here. All the tomatoes all hidden up in the bushes. More back here. More down there, hiding in the canopy. More here. Zoom out a little bit. So now, we're gonna get some tomatoes off the vines. And probably pull the garden. Got some peppers back there. What do you think? Think I should pull it? Look at some of these zucchini, or the size of some of these zucchini. My cantaloupes didn't do well at all this year. I don't know what's up with that. Big old tomato down there. Where's the zucchini at? I got a couple in here. Here they are. Step on some snake down here in this garden. Let's get the size of these zucchini here compared to my hand. These things are huge. This one here they call the Mexican silver. Thing creates huge zucchinis. Couple more over there. Anyway, it's about time to pull the garden.